This is AlphaDroid, kind of a combination of CrDroid, Droid, or basically all the Droid custom ROMs, and it is quite amazing and one of the most underrated custom ROMs right now. I made a video already on AlphaDroid previous version regarding the features you have and etc etc. This version is of course 1.8 having the August security patch. So what are the new changes and the things included in this version? We're going to talk about that, and after that we'll talk about the things which are already included in AlphaDroid. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The video could be quite interesting for you. This one is AlphaDroid. The version is 1.8 available for few of the devices, and links are already available in the description. First one, the change which is in this version is the quick settings header image customizations. Quick settings header image customizations were available previously in some other custom ROMs too, and right now with this new update you have all the previews available. As expectedly, you have the option to adjust the opacity and the height, everything. You can simply customize it according to your own choice or preference, whatever you want to do with this one. Including this one, you also have the option to show this header image in landscape mode or not, and including that you also have the option to pick that image from your storage if you have any, or if you want to apply any image from local storage in your quick settings header. This looks quite interesting and impressive. Including this one, we also have the new data icon styles options available. I made a video on Superior OS Extended Edition just few days ago, and in that custom ROM these things were included, and same things are introduced in AlphaDroid too. This kind of data icon styles are available in Ancient OS, I guess, and these are present in this one too. Some of these are so amazing. The first one, which includes this kind of styling 4G, LTE and 5G. I like this a lot and I'm using this most of the times. In this new version, we also have the miscellaneous signal and Wi-Fi settings, which means you have the option to customize the dimensions according to your own preference. For example, you can adjust the height and width of signal icon, you can adjust the height and width of Wi-Fi icon, and you also have the option to adjust the padding from left to right, and this is so useful. I don't know why it was not available in the previous updates, but after so long time, basically could be the last update before Android 14 stable release, these features are introduced. Let's hope they will bring you these features once again. Also, Android 14 is coming very soon, so stay tuned for that one too. The videos are coming on this channel very soon. We have a lot of brightness slider options available. You have the option to customize the brightness bar styles. You have the option for comet thumb like this one, and all these styles are actually imported from Iconify. If you don't know what Iconify is basically Android themer, where you can, if you have root, you can simply install Iconify app on your device, set up that thing, install it as a Magisk module basically, and you have the option to customize the options like notification styles in this one. iOS style notifications, which means those stack notifications which are present in iOS, fluid notification styles, bottom outline, and there are many more. I most of the times use iOS style. This looks good. We also have the quick settings panel styles available. For example, if I apply this thin outline, and then you have this kind of style available, surround, which is one of my favorite, like this one, which actually looks quite good. Although we have outline, fluid, divided, there are many more, and all these styles are available in Iconify. One of the best things about this custom ROM is that these things are available in this custom ROMs by default, so you don't need to install Iconify separately for that. Some options which are available in the default launcher are already almost same like other custom ROMs, where you have some home screen customizations, where you have the option to enable or disable the at a glance widget, which is so useful. Some options related to app drawer, where of course the themed icons option is present in this case too, and you also have the option to customize the background opacity. In Recents panel, Google Lens options. In miscellaneous, as expectedly, taskbar options, and to hide those apps and the app locker, everything is present in this case too. Including this default launcher, which is having of course all the features and customizations what you were looking for. If you move on to the wallpapers and style, this brings you the feature named as themed icons. You cannot simply click on themed icons and done. You can install separate themed icons package. For example, lawn icons. So you have the option to choose between the lawn icons or those DG icons, RK icons. All these icon pack options are available for you. You can customize the themed icons according to your own preference, and some fonts, icons, every customizations as expectedly is present here. I'm using Cocoon fonts, which is quite good looking. I found some users actually like these kind of fonts. I tried and right now I'm using it as my daily driver. These fonts looks amazing. If you move on the privacy options, you will be able to find Trust app here, which is available in LineageOS by default. Of course, CrDroid is based on LineageOS, I guess, so these things are present there too. That restrict USB feature is one of my favorite, which is present in this case because the Trust option is present in this one. If you move on to the settings options, basically user interface, you have three kind of setting style. This is AOSP style, which is stock Android basically. If you move on to the user interface, setting styles, and if you choose dot, which is .os, if you have ever used .os custom home, the settings will be now themed like this one. And last, the main one is NAD, which is basically Nusantra OS, I think so. As you can see, so we have three settings styles available. Whichever you want to choose, you can choose according to your own preference. These are the things available in setting style basically, where you have three styles available. Whichever you want to use, you can use that. Including this one, we also have some UI styles options present. UI styles basically the themes which are already integrated. Some of these themes are like Shishu Amalgamation. This is a new one, but I found Shishu Illusions is also available here, like this one. We have Shishu Immensity, Shishu Nights. All these themes which are by default present in few of the custom homes are also present in this case. Espresso, Paint in the Snow, some features, some theming options which are present in Evolution XOS customized custom ROM are present in this case too, which is of course kind of really okay. So these are things available in this in theming section, where you have the option to customize the UI, you have the option to customize the setting style, etc. And other options are basically same. This customer brings you a lot of customizations, by the way, like we have some options related to status bar customizations, network traffic monitor, which is quite useful. It's already present here. We also have the option related to battery customizations, by the way. The battery customizations are so much good. Quick settings, having that header image customizations, the options related to tiles, etc. Everything is already present. Lock screen, same kind of customizations. Notifications, which is having retaker notifications. We also have the option for navigation, by the way. That option named as IME space, that thing I think so not present because I did not found. One of the best feature is the hide developer status. You can simply hide the developer option status from those particular apps if you want to. But this is it. These were things I just wanted to let you know. If you want to install this custom home on your device, link is available in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.